I've got a great episode for you today. Driving home yesterday, I stopped at a garage sale. I looked around, I didn't see anything I wanted. But the lady says, hey, there's also the garage. You can go ahead and look in the garage. We got to get rid of everything. So I walk in there, and it's just cluttered. There's a lot of just junk. But as I look through the shelving unit, I can see a motorcycle. I move everything, I try to get a look at it, and I can tell from a distance it's a Suzuki. So I walk back out, ask the lady, like, is that that motorcycle for sale? She says, yep. I was like, all right. And she says, well, there's one more. She walks me over to the end of the garage where there's a bunch more stuff. You would have never seen it. And lo and behold, I pull back a couple things, and I see a Honda.
It's been put in here for so many years.
Ooh.
We used to ride it around the yard when we were kids.
Did you really?
Yeah. Yeah, my sister and I take turns.
It's really cute.
It's pretty cool. Like I said, it's 3-speed, if I remember right. Let me grab one in the front, baby. Ready? Yep.
There we go. Hey, it rolls. I don't know my old Honda motorcycles. I don't really know old motorcycles, period, to be honest. But I do know a bargain. Look for my next video as I uncover this Suzuki and bring it home.